Hello kids, again we are back with our grammar book and we will do the last chapter in our grammar book, that is asking questions. Asking questions, children, it is on page number 108. Okay, so asking question words you are aware of. Children, always remember one thing in mind: every time sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Same way, question, when we are asking, question has little bit difference. It never ends on full stop, okay? It ends with question mark. So question mark is this, okay? This is the sign of question mark. So now, same way as sentences starting with capital letter, that first letter is starting with capital letter, same ways when we ask any question, the first letter will be in capital only and it ends with not full stop, question mark. Okay, now we will come to know the words which are telling us that we are asking questions. Okay, let us know what. What? So sometimes you are doing something. Mama asks you, your teacher asks you, somebody else, your friend asks you, what are you doing? What are you doing, Rohan? So what do you answer? Rohan answers same way. I am doing my drawing or whatsoever I'm doing. I'm drawing or I'm eating. This way Rohan replies. Okay. Now, see children, one thing to keep it, this is WH, starting with WH what, where, when, who, why, which. Okay, so these are the question words. Okay, so where, when we ask where question word, where. So where tells us the place, as we have done in adverbs, where tells us the place. Where are you standing? I am standing in the room, inside the room or outside. Okay. So same way when we are talking about when question word, this also you have studied in adverb. So when question word tells us the time. When will you do your homework? Mama asks you na this. When will you complete your homework? You tell Mama, after some time, later, I will complete my homework. So this tells the time. I will complete it today only. Don't worry. Same way, how you will do. How? It tells more information, more. We get more information when we ask this how question word. How are you doing your work? How are you? You say I am fine. How old are you? I am 7 years old. Okay, I am not 7 years old. I am talking about you. Okay, so when we talk about who, so we want to know about the person. We want to know about the person. We inquire about the person. Who is standing there? Who is standing there? You say my dad is standing there or somebody else. Who is at the door? Who is knocking the door? Postman is knocking the door. We inquire about the person. When we talk about why you have taken holiday, why you have not attended online class yesterday, what reason you give? Why stands for giving the reason. You give the reason. Why you were absent, why you have not attended online class yesterday. Ma'am, I was not well. I am feeling very sick, cold. That's why. And you say I am. And when we talk about yesterday, you have to answer like I was na. So this way you have to give the answer for why. Okay, now which subject you like most? Of course, in front of Tajinder ma'am you will say English. Ma'am, English is my favorite subject. In front of science, and science is my favorite subject, because you will make every teacher happy and smile. So that's why, see, this which is telling us the option. Okay, option. Okay, option for the anything. So these are the question words. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Children, you see on page number 109 there is an exercise. First we will put the date and then we will read the heading. Form pairs and write the answers to these questions, then take turns. But there you are at home right now, so you can do this exercise by yourself by giving the answers here in the next column. What does your father do? Okay, if your father is a businessman, you can write here. If he's doing any job, you can write here. How old are you? This answer you know very well. You can write here. So you have to fill the blanks in the second column. You have to answer. Complete statement, children. Complete statement. Now second exercise we will do here. Okay, second exercise says fill in the blanks with the correct question word. Answers are given. First you read the answer. Okay, then we will put the correct question word. Okay, so quickly read the answer. Answers are given, and who will tell me the question word, correct question word? Quickly tell me. So quickly, the time is 7. The time, I told you which question word we will use when we will talk about time. Yes, so when here the time is 7 a.m. but here we will use what is the time. Okay, here we will not say when is the time. Okay, you signed my report card, Dad. You want to know if your father has signed your report card. How you will put the question? So have you signed my report card, Dad? Dash you buy me a storybook, Dad? You want to ask your father to buy you a storybook. So, what you will ask here? How you will answer this question? Quickly, any guesses? You will ask, will you buy me a storybook, Dad? Okay, so you want to ask your father to buy you a storybook. So, will you buy me a storybook? Now, next page number 110. This you have to read the answers and question word you will write by yourself. First, write by yourself. Answer otherwise I have provided in the assignment section. No need to worry, but check the answers. Okay. Now here you have to match the answer. 2 columns are given. Question word is in the other section and statements are here in the first column. And you will not draw lines to match. Okay, what you will do? You will put what? Letters are here. No numbers are here. Letters are here. The bookshop is near the school. So I am not going to write the statement. I will write only A, B, C, D and E and F. Okay, and because this is the first column and second column, question words are there. What, why, when, where, how, which. Okay, so now A we will read from this. The bookshop is near the school. Near is telling us the place. So we will write where. On where we will put A, letter A. Okay, so near is telling us the place. The bookshop is near the school. Where is the bookshop? Near the school. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. So what I am doing? What I am doing? So this way we will do this exercise. You will do by yourself I think now matching is easy. By reading the statement, you will get that which question word we have to use. Okay. Answers I will provide as usual, I have said. So no need to worry. But first try by yourself. And one task obviously you have to do by yourself. Don't leave anything. So till then, stay safe, stay tuned. Bye bye.